Okay, stir this one. That's crazy, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, those are ready. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do different than we did last time. That's your cup. We're gonna take these out. Okay. Okay, first you're gonna pour this. Our hands are gonna get really, really messy again, okay?
Okay.
White.
Mine isn't doing anything.
It will. It will. Green. Blue. I want you to stand up because you'll be able to see better. Some white. Okay. Cool. Now let's do a little more blue. That green is too runny. Okay. Now it's going to be super cool. Okay.
Mine didn't.
This is what we're going to do. Look, take this hand, put it on the bottom of the cup. Got it? Put this hand right here. It's going to get really messy. Okay, we're going to take the cup and we're going to flip it upside down right in the middle. Why don't you stand up so you can reach it. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, leave it. Now, okay, now pick the cup up and put it right here. Put it right here. It's okay. Now look, see how pretty that is? Pick up the painting. Get on this side. You're going to smear it around. That's so pretty. Gonna get all the white covered. More. Let it run. A little more over on this side. And then this side. You gotta get all the paint on that side too. See it running? There it goes. It's so pretty. Like it? You like this better than the other one?
Yeah.
Keep going. See all this white here? All that's going to run onto it. You gotta let it run on all the way onto your hand.
That kind of looks like an ocean.
Yeah, it does. We can call it your ocean. A little bit more. Let's put my finger right there. Okay. Wow, that looks so cool. Leave your hands. Leave your hands.
My hands look like an ocean.
Look at that. Look at that pretty picture.
My hands look like an ocean.
Okay. Ready? Cover them up. This time I'm going to wipe this whole bunch off first. Oh, look at that pretty painting. It's so pretty. I love it.
It looks like an ocean.
It does. Oh my goodness, I'm loving that one.